Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to effectively limit your TikTok usage. Whether you're looking to manage your screen time or create a healthier balance between your online and offline activities, this simple guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once inside the app, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the 3 lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on them to open the menu, and then select the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Screen Time Management and tap on it. Here, you'll find a range of options to help you manage your TikTok usage. You can set daily screen time limits that are the same for every day, or even customize them for different days of the week if your schedule varies. Choose the limit that works best for you and follow the simple on-screen prompts to set it up. Once you've entered your desired screen time, tap Next to confirm your settings. And that's it! You've successfully set up screen time limits to help manage your TikTok usage and strike a better balance in your routine. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.